Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Good evening, L2. Now I gave you an activity. It's all about periodic table. First question. Jamaica and Pauline, what is the elements of sodium? Sodium. Wrong, Pauline. Na, uncheck. Jamaica, check. Next. What is the elements of... Okay na? Boron. What is the elements of boron? Very good. B. Next. Next, Jasper and Lavin. What is the elements of helium? Helium. Very good. H. Eagle. Kamon tulo. Next, Jankin, Jishan, and Reniel. What is the elements of oxygen and carbon? Oxygen is unsay mo ha, Jishan. Nangapi man ka. No cheating. Carbon also. Oxygen and carbon. Wrong, Reniel. Oxygen is elements is O. Carbon and C elements. Check Janken. Wrong, Reniel. Check Jishan. What is the elements of hydrogen? Hydrogen. Wrong. The correct answer is Jatkin. Wrong, Jishan. Wrong, Riniel. Annyeonghaseyo. Good evening, L2. Now I give you a poem entitled
I love my family so much. To be a part of a family like mine is so divine. Where love is shown, heart is shared. Our love for each other never compared. We talk, we laugh, we cry. But we are a family, and we do it all together. Eat for a family. We love it all as fun. A family full of strength. A family full of love. A family full of touch. My family is my life and always will be forever. Which do you like better? Sun, my dear friend Earth. Do you tell me soon? Which do you like more, me or the moon? Moon.
1, 2, 3, start.
안녕하세요. I have a dream that I can be a leader for change. That my family can get other success. That my friends can get along better. Oh, I have a dream that all children will grow up healthy. That grown-ups can take care of the earth. That people will start taking better care of each other. Oh, I have a dream that people will find ways to cure diseases. That people will learn how to stop fighting. That there will be peace for all people in the world. Oh, I have a dream. Kamsahamnida.
Oh, very good. Clap your hands, everyone. It means, mosquito unsad? Ika. Okay, sige. Next. Who wants to volunteer? Okay, Ate Queenie.
Don't be upset when people talk about you. Because, naay ko'y friend here. Sa'yo nung gamay siya. Nako'y friend, kay, if naay matalk about niya kay, kanang rag, masuko siya din, na ba? Then, suko man yun na. Then, kanang, isa kay, hilak sa chair, then ako siyang i-comfort na kanang, ay, hilak kay kanang ilang opinion kay don't dili mo matter sa imo kay ilang ng opinion imuhan ang imong opinion imo ra jud na then
Yeah, how will you apply it to yourself?
maana ko sa kong self nganong mag-mind man ko silang opinion kung nganong mag-mind man ko sa silang opinion nga ilaha man na then ganito na ko.
Ilaha man na and then, nakay muhang own opinion.
Oh, then, mag-mind sa test na itong business ka. If mag-mind kasi ang business, wala yung jud manghilabot sa inyo. So, dapat, di ka magpakuan sa mga people na talk about something with you or backstab ka kay wala ron na sila kay ang means kay insecure is louder, confident is silence.
Okay, very good. Oh, unsa to, Auntie? Do not be upset when people are talking about you or talk about you. Nga naman, as what I've always said, we cannot please everyone. Sakto? Di na to mapugos ang tanang tao. So, you are entitled with your own opinion. So, just always be yourself because people will always have something to say about you.
Good evening, L2.
Good evening, Teacher Jungin. Good evening, classmates. I'm glad to see you all today.
Okay, settle down.
Thank you, Teacher Jungin.
Is everybody present?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, unsa ta pag Friday? Unsa atong discussion pag Friday?
Percentage.
Unsa nga subject?
Math.
Math. Unsa nga topic?
Percentage.
Okay, today is
English.
kay Monday man ron. So, di ba sige na tagbalik ninyo og discuss about sa parts of speech? Be, kinsay makahatag nako sa parts of speech be? Kiray.
Noun.
Noun, very good. Leah Rich.
Pronoun.
Pronoun, very good.
Adjective.
Adjective, very good. Ikaw kaya, Kian? Adverb, very good.
Verb.
Verb, very good. What else? Napa?
Conjunction.
Conjunction, very good. What else?
Interjection.
Interjection, very good. What else? Napawala na.
Ano pa yung sa
You miss one.
Introduction.
You miss one. Prepo?
Position.
Okay, preposition. Betanaw na ko og kabaw po. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I want you to introduce yourself first. First, your name, age, and what grade are you now? Example, my name is Teacher Junien. I am 21 years old and I am a 4th year. Okay, kasabot wala. Okay, first ni Mate. What's your name?
My name is Ryle. I'm 6 years old. I am grade 1.
Okay, very good. Next.
My name is Diana. I am 6 years old. I am grade 1.
Very good. Next.
My name is Stella and I am 9 years old and I am grade 4.
Next.
My name is Catherine. I'm 9 years old. My grade is 4.
Okay, grade 4. Very good. So, gigather ta mo karon kay I want to inform you that you are our new student sa San Carlos area. Ka-Teacher Junien. Willing ra mo sulod sa study room, dili?
Willing.
Okay, very good. So, kamo ang bag-o nga students. Ganahan ra, dili? Okay, very good. But, after 1 month, inyong first nga i-study diri sa study room kay multiplication. After 1 month, og dili gihapon ninyo ma-practice or ma-master ang multiplication, balik og tang. So, inyong 1 month diri, mag-practice mo og mag-master mo sa multiplication. Kakuha wala?
Kakuha.
Inyong klase mag-start og alas
6.
Okay, very good. 6 p.m. Naamo sa L1. Kuha wala.
Kuha.
Kay agi pabasa ta mo earlier, dili pagid mo kaayo ka bala mamasa, especially ang ato ang grade 1, Ryle and Kiana. So, L1 sa mo ha, and then inyong unahon kay multiplication. Discussion ta mo sa mga rules and regulations diri sa study room as well as sa channel. Dili ko ganahan masigi mo og tabi, masigi mo og kiat, kasabot wala.
Kasabot.
Maminaw sa teacher. Mag-study og tarong, kasabot wala.
Kasabot.
Okay. Congratulations. Happy dili.
Happy.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, for this morning, your activity is you're going to write what are the topics we tackled in English. So you're going also to write what you have learned from it, of course. And for number 2, what are the topics we tackled in mathematics, and you're going to write what you have learned also. Okay, so as a recap, unsa ganito mga topic nga atong i-discuss sa English?
8 parts of speech.
Okay, 8 parts of speech.
Types of sentence.
Okay, type of sentence. Unsa pa?
Structure.
Sentence structure. Unsa pa? Antonyms, homonyms, synonyms. Okay ra? How about sa math?
Figures.
Okay.
Figures.
Area of figures.
Time conversion.
Time conversion. What else? Quarter past. Quarter to. Half past. PEMDAS, of course. Okay, so that is all about our topics nga akong na-teach ninyo. And please do write sa inyohang nakatunan with that. And most of the time is mag-practice lang kita pirmi with regards sa atong topic. Okay ra?
Yes.
Fighting!
Fighting.
Okay, so answer na mo palihog.